Hi, I'm Tess Salter.
And I'm Casey Sternsmith. Welcome to 3067 Neves Road in Bay Meadows.
Welcome to this fabulous 4-bedroom, 4-bath Meadow Walk townhome built in 2017 by Shea Homes. Located on a quiet and peaceful interior street, this home offers 2170 square feet of living space with a wonderful open concept floor plan. The bright entry leads up to the main floor with living, dining, kitchen, and balcony. The kitchen enjoys ample custom storage, an island with seating, gas range, stainless steel appliances, and custom top-of-the-line countertops. Adjacent to the dining room is a bedroom and bath, staged here as the perfect home office. Upstairs are 2 large bedroom suites. The primary suite has room for a California king and extra seating or storage. It also enjoys its own private balcony, your soon-to-be favorite spot for your morning coffee. The bathroom has dual sinks, marble flooring, double-sized step-in shower with glass door and marble tile, a water closet, and an expansive walk-in closet. The secondary bedroom easily fits a queen bed and enjoys a large picture window and ensuite bath with bathtub. Between the upstairs bedrooms is a large laundry room with additional storage. The bottom floor has the 4th and final bedroom suite, the ideal location for house guests, extended family, or a secondary office. The garage has 2 side-by-side parking spots, tankless water heater, and additional storage.
Experience the best of both worlds at Bay Meadows, a charming urban village just a hop from the Hillsdale Caltrain Station, 101 and 92 in historic San Mateo. Here, you'll find the life the way you crave it. A neighborhood alive with shops and eateries, miles of biking trails, sprawling open spaces, delightful pocket parks, even a Whole Foods. Hello, Blue Bottle Coffee, Rome Burger, Fieldworks Brewery, and Tim Pot Creamery, and a new direct walkway to Hillsdale Mall for Pinstripes Bowling, virtual reality, Shake Shack, and more. Come, see for yourself.
Thinking of buying or selling? You have but one phone call. The Sternsmith Group. Your realtor matters. Experience the difference.